Here now, former U.S. Attorney and Right on Crime Executive Director Brett Tolman. Brett, great to see you. Part of the problem is you've got DA Bragg trying to turn a misdemeanor into a felony, a falsified record, trying to prove that President Trump falsified records to conceal another crime. But if this was a politically motivated move by Bragg, maybe backing off would be politically motivated, because a lot of Democrats are starting to go, no, publicly. Am I on the right track, Brett Tolman?
You are, Dagan. Great to see you. Thanks for having me on. I will tell you that during my, over a decade of practicing in front of the grand jury, only one time did I ever observe the grand jury come back and not bring the charge that the prosecutor was seeking. And it's a failure of such epic proportions. When they say a grand jury would indict a ham sandwich, it's literally that easy, because you're the only one in the room presenting evidence and you can present hearsay. So you got 23 members of a New York grand jury. You only need to get 12 votes on that grand jury. And if he's having trouble convincing him, it tells you how bad his decision making is and how bad this case is.
So, Brett, if you play this out, play the Bragg theory out. So I ran for Congress. When I was running for Congress, if I got a haircut, I paid $20 for my cut, and I got a brand new shirt, you could say, I want to look normal, I want a haircut, I don't want to look shaggy. Or someone could say, oh, no, you got that haircut, Sean Duffy, as you're running for Congress for political purposes, and you didn't mark it down as a contribution to your campaign. I mean, it's almost that stupid, the extent to which Bragg has taken this case.
Well, Sean, I like that you brought that up, because what you're really going to is the heart of criminal law, and that's criminal intent. You have to be able to show that there was criminal intent. And what nobody's talking about is you can pay, through your lawyer, you can pay an individual to not bring a claim or to not make allegations against you publicly, and you can do so for legitimate legal reasons. What they're trying to do here is actually bootstrap a potential identification of that payment on his financial records and argue that the continuation or the crime at issue here is really an election, a federal election violation, campaign finance violation, in which he didn't identify that campaign funds went for that payment. That is very difficult to make when you also can't prove that criminal intent. What did he intend that payment for? And there's a ton of reasons besides just hushing up a potential embarrassing story for your political success.
But by the way, I guarantee you, had he used campaign funds, people's contributions, to pay off Stormy Daniels, he would have been in another box and been in trouble for using campaign funds illegally. So they want to get it one way or the other. It's ridiculous.
And I'll just add, Brett, that Sean likes to make fun of New Yorkers, but New Yorkers can do one thing, well, two things: smell a rat and see a rat. And I'm talking about Michael Cohen. If you put him in front of a grand jury, somebody on that grand jury, or more than one person, is going to go, are you kidding? Are you kidding me?
If I had to put money on who might be willing to stand up to a bad case, I'd pick a New Yorker.
Yeah, exactly.
I hope you both are right. I don't have that kind of
Having
thing.
served on a New York jury.
All right.
Look out. Thank you, Brett Tolman.
Brett Tolman, thanks. All right.